Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. So in my previous two video I have talked about how to install VirtualBox and how to set up a CentOS machine into that VirtualBox. And we were able to do SSH from our local machine. So either you can do it using putty or you can just SSH through the PowerShell. So I am using Mac, so I was able to SSH using the terminal. So today we are going to learn about the interesting topic. It's a Vagrant. So Vagrant complement the VirtualBox. So it is a kind of automation tool so that you need not to manually go and install CentOS on the VirtualBox. So using Vagrant you will be able to install any machine, any operating system using the Vagrant directly to VirtualBox. So let's start our discussion today. So I am going to show how to install. So this is the web official Vagrant website where you can have option to install in any operating system distribution, either it's a Mac or Windows or Linux. So I am using Mac, so for me the command is very simple. It is brew install Vagrant. So we just copy and I will install it using sudo. Okay, I'll just install using. So it will install. So it's currently installing. So in coming videos it will be more interesting because I'm going to show you how you can, like using Vagrant, how you can install multiple operating system, like multiple machine through the Vagrant within few minutes only. No need to go and install one by one everything. So this will be very interesting series that I am making currently. So I already created two videos related to VirtualBox. So I will put that into my description, and I will also put all the link into the description for downloading and installing Vagrant. So now you can see Vagrant is installed. So if you just see so now you can see Vagrant is there. So now what we are going to do, we are going to quickly create a Windows 8 machine using Vagrant. So let's see. So first what I'm going to do, so let me go to my desktop and I will create a directory. So I'll be creating my machine into this. Okay, so currently I am in this directory. So I am going to create a CentOS machine. So commands are very simple, and one more thing, you need to install this plugin, either it's in Windows or Mac OS or any Linux. You need to install this plugin. So you can easily, this is the command to install the plugin. So let me first install the plugins. It might take some time. So the idea behind this series is to, okay, it's installed. Okay, let's first create the machine, then we'll discuss other part later. So now this is plugin is installed. Now what we are going to do, so you just need to do the Vagrant init. So init will create a file, Vagrant file, into the directory. So I am going to install CentOS 8. You just need to pass the operating system and their version. So that's what I am doing. So I am, okay, let's see now. Yeah, so the file got created. You can see this is the file it got created. So it is just a configuration file. We'll see in the coming videos how you can modify this configuration, and you can set up your own private network host name, and you can run some automated script so that while installing itself everything will be ready, so you did not to do manually set up anything. So we will do that part later. So now the vagrant file is there, we just need to do vagrant up. So this will directly create the machine, no need to do anything. So if you run this command vagrant up, this is going to create the machine automatically. So you see it's in progress 50%. So it will download the ISO also by itself. So everything it is going to do by their self. So it's setting a username, the vagrant username, and you can do vagrant SSH also using this. So in the coming video using this vagrant I'll be creating 3 machines, and on those 3 machines I'll be installing Cloudera CDP. So now the vagrant up is done. Okay, now you just need to do vagrant SSH. So now you can see you are connected into a Linux machine. So this is the Linux machine. Now you are in Vagrant localhost. You can see the version. So this is the 8.3 machine which got created. So this is how you can make use of Vagrant. Now if you see into your VirtualBox, you will be able to see that machine. So this is the machine it got created just now. So currently it is with the default setup. So now even though if I try to do SSH, I won't be able to do, because it will have the old IP, and it will have the NAT adapter. So if you see from here, the setting, into network, oh, that is for Centos. So if you click here, go to network, so still it's using NAT, so you won't be able to do SSH. But good thing is you can do Vagrant SSH. So using Vagrant SSH you will be able to connect. So you can now exit from here, and there is a one command called vagrant destroy. So what vagrant destroy will do, so this is the command vagrant destroy -f. So this command is going to destroy the machine. So you can create the machine easily, and you can destroy the machine easily. I had put the space, that's why it was not working. So now the machine got destroyed. You see the machine is deleted now. So thank you for watching the video. So in the next coming videos I am going to show you how to create multiple machine using Vagrant, and at the end we will set up a Hadoop cluster on that machine. So stay tuned with my video. Thank you.